part 4 and the last part of our Hocus Pocus routine to I Put a Spell on You. So we are almost done, you guys. There's about 20 seconds left of the song, so we are so close. The next move we're gonna do, in my opinion, is probably the most difficult move of the entire routine, but still not crazy hard because I wanted to make it for all levels. So let's do it. Let's go for it. Stretch, whatever you need to do, and let's have fun learning the last part of our Hocus Pocus routine. Okay, for our first move of our final section, we have Shorty George into TikToks. Okay, so this is the fun part where they actually put a spell on everybody that's dancing, if you've seen the movie. So I had to write it down because I actually didn't know what the words were to the spell. So here we are. It might be flipped though, so you guys might have to read it backwards or somehow flip it. But it's "Ah say entopi alpha maybe up and die." Okay, so I had to write the lyrics down because I had no clue what the actual spell was. So that's it. "Ah say entopi alpha maybe up and die." All right, super fun, but I didn't know what the actual lyrics were, and now I know. All right, so there were so many fun things that I thought of to hit that in the music, and I went with the Shorty George into TikToks. So let's go for it. So the beginning of a Shorty George is a kickball change. Okay, for those of you who've never done a kickball change before, this is how it goes. So we're gonna start with the weight on our left, kicking with our right foot first, okay? So a kickball change, we kick with the right, and then we ball change. Again, ball change, fancy way of just saying step, step. So we kick with the right, step with the right, step with the left. Okay, I'll turn around so you can see it this way. We have a kick, ball change, kick, step, step, kick, ball change, kick, step, step. Okay, pretty easy, right? Kick, ball change. Now with the Shorty George, what we want to do though is instead of kicking straight in front of us, we want to take that kick out to the side. So if I'm kicking with my right foot, I'm going to take my foot out to the right side. Now when I do the ball change, what's different about that is I'm gonna have what I'm gonna call skiing knees, right? If you've ever skied, you go side to side with your knees, all right? So give that a try where your knees are gonna go to the side and you kind of do a little squat down as the knees go side to side. So as you step, step or ball change, your knees are gonna go to the left, okay? So I think of it almost like a pendulum swing kind of deal where my foot or my kick is going to be to the right, and as I do my ball change, it ends to the left with the knees, okay? I'm going to turn around and show you from this way. So I have a kick with the right, ball change, okay? So at the end of that ball change, your weight's in your left foot mostly, and my knees are pointing to the left with a little tiny squat down. Okay, so I have a kick, ball, change. All right, so that's the beginning to a Shorty George. Now a Shorty George, if I do it fully, just so you know, is a kick, ball, change, and I step with the knees. Kind of crazy, right? So we're not doing a full Shorty George. We're just doing the beginning of one, and then we're gonna do a TikTok, okay? So we're gonna do a kick, ball, change, step into your right foot, then shoot that left foot out, okay? All my weight's in my right foot right now. And what I'm gonna do is take my right knee and go out, in, okay? And if you notice with the hand, I'm just kind of matching where the knee goes. I like to give a little snap as the knee goes out, okay? So we have kick, ball, change, step, shoot, tick, tock, tick, tock. All right, from this angle, 5, 6, 7, kick, ball change, step, shoot, tick, tock, tick, tock. Okay, got it? So again, pause the video if you need to, practice it as many times as you want, and then what we're gonna do is repeat, but we're gonna now kick with the left foot, okay? So we just did kick, ball change, step, shoot, tick, tock, weight should be in your right foot. We're gonna kick with the left foot now. Kick, and as I kick, you notice I got up, right, with my weight, with my posture. Kick, ball change, step, shoot with the right now. Tick, tock, okay? So 2 shorty tick-tocks, one starting with the right foot kicking, the second one starting with the left foot kicking. I'm gonna turn around and show you from the other angle. Starting with the right foot, 5, 6, 7, kick, ball change, step, shoot, tick, tock, kick, ball change, step, shoot, tick, tock. All right, so that's it. That, in my opinion, is probably the most difficult step of this whole routine. Maybe you thought another one was more difficult. That's awesome. If this was easy for you, but give that a shot. And then when you're ready, let's move on to the next part of the song. All right, I know I kind of ended the shorty tick-tock move, but I wanted to just do it with the lyrics. I don't think I did that before. So really quick, the shorty tick-tocks with the spell, with the lyrics, is I say ento pi, alpha maybe up and die. I say ento pi, alpha maybe up and die. Okay, so you should hear it. It really hits with the lyrics and with the music. Okay, just wanted to add that really quick, and now we will move on to the next part. All right, you guys, one step closer. Here we go. We're still doing the spell over everybody at the Halloween dance. So now, again, I wrote down the lyrics because I didn't know what they were saying. So this part, after they did, I say ento pi, alpha maybe up and die, they say, in gamma koriyama. Yeah, they say that a couple times. So again, it might be flipped, I'm sorry. But yeah, that's how it's spelled. I had no idea. In gamma koriyama. All right, so they say that 2 times. Now, when they say in gamma koriyama, we just did our final kick, ball change, step, hop, tick, tock. All the weight should be in your left foot after those tick-tocks, okay? When she goes in gamma koriyama, we're gonna do a dig, step, kick, ball change. Okay, so you guys should know the kick ball change from our previous move, except this kick ball change is gonna be in front of you, okay? But before the kick ball change, we're gonna do a dig, step, all right? Now, I call it a dig because instead of just stepping underneath you, you really wanna dig into the ground with it and kind of move slightly forward with that dig, okay? So it's a dig, step, kick, ball change. Dig, step, kick, ball change. I'll show you from this angle. Okay, we just did our tick-tocks, weights in the left foot. Dig, step, kick, ball change. Dig, step, kick, ball change. Okay, digging or stepping down into your right foot. Move back into the left foot. Kick right, step, step, right, left. Okay, so we just had our bump, tick-tock, tick-tock. Kick, ball change, bump, tick-tock, tick-tock. Weights in the left foot. Dig, step, kick, ball change. Dig, step, kick, ball change. In gamma koriyama, in gamma koriyama. All right, so that's for that part. And just hit that dig as soon as she goes in for in gamma koriyama. Okay, again, didn't know what the lyrics were, but now I know. So there we go. After our Shorty George tick-tock section, we have our dig, step, kick, ball changes. Okay, practice, 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 and then when you're ready, let's move on. Almost done. Okay, everyone, here we go. We just did our in gamma koriyama twice with those dig, step, kick, ball changes. Now, what we're gonna do, our weights in our left foot. I want you to step forward with your right, hit with the left knee. Step forward with the left, hit with the right knee. Step forward with the right, hit with the left knee. Step down with the left foot, hit with the right knee. But now I want you to turn so your right hip is facing the audience and step towards the audience on that last one. So we have step, hit, step, hit, step, hit, step, up, hit towards the audience, okay? So it goes in, comma, koriyama, ba, a, I, say, bye, bye. All right? We're gonna say bye-bye. Okay, so every time she says a word like a, I, that's when you're taking a step down. And then the knee goes up right afterwards, okay? So facing this way, we had our dig step kickball change. In, comma, koriyama, ba, ba, da, 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 a, I, say, bye, bye. Again, stepping towards the audience with that right foot. Okay, so one more time together, and then go ahead and practice it on your own without me. Okay, starting with the dig step kickball change. 5, 6, here we go. In, comma, koriyama, ba, da, kickball change. A, I, say, bye, bye. Okay, right foot going towards the audience. All right, on to our last move. Here we go. All right, everyone, we've made it to the last move of our Hocus Pocus routine. So here we go, let's do it. After we did our hits with our knees, your right knee was up. I had you step forward towards the audience with that right foot. We're just gonna do a bunch of step gathers, okay? So we're gonna step, gather, step, gather, step, gather, step, gather. So we go towards the audience, away from the audience, kind of hitting a middle point, away from the audience again, gather, middle point towards the audience, and then towards the audience again. So watch one time. I have step, gather, 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 okay? So we're doing about 8 steps total, I believe, but you'll hear it in the music. So this is when she's saying, say bye-bye. So we're waving goodbye, all right? Hi, I say bye, 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 bye. All right? So just keep stepping and gathering through the whole time where she's saying bye, bye. And then left hand on the hip, right hand is waving goodbye, okay? At the very, very end, after you're doing those step gathers, you will hear at the end of the song, it's a hit. It's the very end of the song. Do, 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 ha. All right, so that's the hit. Go ahead and do whatever you want to hit that ending. I go like this, boom, whatever you want to do. But go ahead and give me some cheese, hit that ending pose, and know that you did an amazing job doing this fun routine, okay? So practice those step gathers. Again, starting with that right foot towards the audience, and then middle point, away, middle point, away, bop, bop, ba-da-da-da, ha. That's it. Congratulations. You guys did the entire routine. Give yourselves a pat on the back. All right? Okay. So go ahead and practice it. Please, please, please film yourself doing the routine. Send it to me. I would love to put together a video of all of us doing this routine and show it for Halloween. Okay? So it's fine if it's not perfect. Just have fun with it. Practice. Let's do it together. And yeah, send me your videos, tag me, whatever. I would love to see them. I would love to see you guys doing this routine. It was a lot of fun to choreograph and create. And yeah, let's get ready for Halloween and put this fun routine together with all your videos for Halloween Day and Hocus Pocus, my favorite Halloween movie. And congratulations, you guys. You did it. Thank you so much and happy Halloween.